Hi! Welcome to Holy Time TV. Before we start, smash that subscribe button for more videos like this in the future. The English word, couple, derives from the Old French, couple, meaning a pair or two things of a kind. This in turn originates from the Latin word, copula, which means a bond, tie, or connection. The Latin copula itself comes from co, together, plus a pair, to fasten or bind. In the context of two people in a romantic relationship, couple refers to the bond that ties them together. This usage started in the Middle Ages and has been common ever since. This term is now used to denote two people who are romantically involved, regardless of their marital status. It's also used more generally to refer to any two things that are thought of as belonging together in some way. The metaphorical extension to two people in a romantic relationship is natural, reflecting the physical and emotional bonds that such relationships typically involve. The usage of the term couple in this context can be traced back as far as the 13th century. Both psychology and philosophy offer distinct perspectives on the concept of a couple, but they do intersect in various ways. They both deal with understanding the human experience, though from different angles. Psychology views the concept of a couple predominantly through the lens of interpersonal relationships and attachment theory. A couple represents two individuals who form an emotional and often physical bond with each other. This bond is generally characterized by mutual affection, love, trust, commitment, and shared experiences. Couples psychology or couples therapy often deals with understanding the dynamics of a couple's relationship, the patterns of communication, conflict resolution strategies, and the role of individual psychology in shaping these patterns. Psychologists use a variety of models to understand and analyze couples. For example, they might use attachment theory to understand how early experiences affect the ways people relate to their partners, or social exchange theory to analyze how couples balance costs and benefits in their relationships. Philosophy, on the other hand, might approach the concept of a couple from a variety of angles, including ethical, metaphysical, and existential perspectives. In ethics, philosophers might explore what duties or obligations individuals have toward their partners, and what makes a romantic relationship good or just. They might consider questions such as whether there's a moral difference between short-term and long-term relationships, or how to balance the needs of the individual against the needs of the couple. From a metaphysical perspective, philosophers might ask what it means for two people to be a couple. Is it just a social construct, or is there a deeper reality to it? Existentialist philosophers might explore the role of romantic relationships in giving meaning to life. They might consider how being part of a couple affects an individual's sense of identity and purpose. In both disciplines, the definition of a couple is not static, but evolves in response to changing societal norms, cultural contexts, and personal interpretations. Adam and Eve. Genesis chapter 2 verse 24 states, "Therefore a man shall leave his father and his mother and hold fast to his wife, and they shall become one flesh." God bless you all. I'd like you to open your hearts and minds to the profound wisdom of our Creator. You see, when God created Adam and Eve, He wasn't just creating two individual beings. He was creating a couple. He was showing us the power of unity, the strength of partnership, the beauty of togetherness. You see, friends, God didn't design us to be alone. In Genesis chapter 2 verse 18, God says, "It is not good that the man should be alone. I will make him a helper fit for him." This is the foundation of the first couple, and it tells us something deeply profound about ourselves and about God's love for us. God knows we are stronger together than we are apart. That's why He gave Adam a partner, Eve. This wasn't just about companionship, it was about forming a bond, a unity that represents the image of God. It's about reflecting His love, His grace, and His mercy towards each other. In every couple, there's the divine echo of God's first creation. There's that special bond that reflects the love of God. It's God telling us, "You are never alone. I am with you, and I have given you each other to love, to support, and to cherish. So, friends, cherish your loved ones. Value your partners. See in them the divine hand of God, reaching out to bring unity and love into your lives. And remember, God didn't just create you. He created a couple, showing the power of unity, the strength of love, and the beauty of companionship. And together, as couples, we reflect God's eternal love. God bless you all. If you liked this video, don't forget hit that like button, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this in the future. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.